Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your lowest credit card. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type lowest.com and hit on enter right now. This is the official homepage of Lowest. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided, but right now we only want to log in to our credit card. Let's scroll right back up to the top. Right above the nav bar, you will find something like Lowest Credit Center. Simply click on it. Now it's gonna redirect you to this page called Credit. Simply scroll down. Here are the different cards provided by Lowest. Select the type of credit card that you have. A new page will open up, and in this page, it's gonna ask you to enter your user ID and password. In case you forgot your user ID or password, here are the buttons right here. Click on them and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. Once everything's okay, hit on this login button right here, and then you will be redirected to your Lowest's credit card account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your Lowest's credit card account online. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.